Hello everyone, my name's Ben from TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Is your TV experiencing problems after a power surge or a lightning strike? The most common part affected by a power surge is the power supply board, but we would need to open up the back of the television to look for scorching on any other boards to see which parts we would need to replace. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV back up and running. For as little as $20 in 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get your TV fixed at home. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts Today is here to help you every step of the way. Check out our wizard of TV repair and our hundreds of thousands of parts in inventory at www.tvpartstoday.com.